So hey you guys, so I am back with another video, and this is going to be a quick install of this Amina wig from Sensationnel. I had this wig for a while now, so the lace is already cut and she's already pre-styled for me pretty much, but what you see is what you get from this wig. So even though I had this wig installed in my head before, pretty much this is how the wig is going to come once you cut the lace off. Now this one is kind of like a beginner's wig, but then again it's not, because if you're not into baby hairs and if you're not into styling your wigs, this wig is not for you. So I did lose the stock card, but I'm going to show you right here in this clip how the wig comes. This is how the stock card looks. It is ear to ear lace, but it's pretty much just a lace front, so you only have about an inch of lace from ear to ear, and that's it. And I love wigs like this because I think they look super natural if you're into styling your wigs. Now it is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and you cannot part this wig, but the way I styled it, I feel like, I did a pretty decent job with this one, because like I said, it's kind of beginner friendly, but then again it's not. So I only used got to be gel and the freezing spray on the ear tabs, because I didn't really want to lay this wig down. But when I did first install this wig, I did use the gel from ear to ear around the perimeter of my hairline, just so it can melt a lot easier, I would say, because I didn't use any powder or any makeup. I haven't been using that in my lace lately, so I didn't use any makeup or concealer, so I didn't really melt this one down because it was just a quick install anyway. So for the girlies who like baby hairs, this part is for you. I did leave this up because I wanted to show you that doing baby hairs is such a task, and it is such it takes skill and it takes time. Right here I'm just showing you, I'm just wetting the hair and getting it ready for me to style it. Like I said, this one took me a minute. It took me about 25 minutes to style her, and normally that's about the time it's going to take to style this wig. But I'm used to styling my wigs. But if you're not used to, doing baby hairs and, laying your wigs down and melting your wigs, this one is not for you. But she is such a look, girl. She is so pretty once you put her together. Like, she falls in place. Like, I really love this wig. I believe I have her in the color number 1B. I think she looks best in natural colors, but I do have her in the color rose gold, which is the pink color, as well as the copper color. I did not include a video of those two colors because I have pictures on my Instagram that I've posted a while ago. So definitely follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I know this voiceover is probably all over the place, but yeah, girl. So like I said, this part is for the girls who like to do baby hairs. But child, I had a struggle. It was definitely a struggle. But once I put her together, like, she is going to be such a look. Like, she's going to be super pretty. So I'm going to just stop talking for a little bit and let y'all enjoy some of the video. So right here, I'm just noticing that, I have this line of demarcation with my wig. So I was just really trying to utilize my baby hairs to kind of like hide that line of demarcation, because I just did not feel like putting any type of makeup or powder. Like, I don't even wear face makeup. So it's just like really difficult trying to put makeup in my wig. So I'm really trying to master how to melt my wigs without using makeup to kind of like hide the lace, but I'm trying to get there. Anyway, girl, I'm here showing you that I'm about to put some mousse in her and, you know, lay her down and style her up. But this is really, to me, a beginner's friendly wig because I like to style my wigs. But this is what you get with Miss Amina. Hopefully I'm saying her name correctly. Definitely get her. I think she's under $30 if I'm not mistaken. She a win for me. So comment down below and tell me what you guys think. Subscribe. Click that bell to be notified every time I upload. Like and share this video. Check out some of my other videos if you have not already.